Hello everyone, my name is Renato Setiawan Pongturan. Today I would like to ask you one interesting question. Can someone who was once a bad person become a hero? Most people think that heroes are always kind, honest, and good. They help others and become role model. But what if someone made my mistake in the past? Can they still become a hero? In my opinion, the answer is yes. Let me explain why. Nobody is perfect. Every person make mistake in life. Some mistakes are small, but some mistake can hurt many people. However, making mistake does not mean someone will always be a bad person. People can learn from their past. They can admit where they did wrong. They can change their behavior. And most importantly, they can dedicate their life to helping others. I believe that a real hero is not someone who has never failed. A real hero is someone who learns to failure, becomes a better person, and inspire others people to change as well. Now, let me some example. The first example is Nelson Mandela. When he was young, he fought against apartheid in South Africa. Because of his action, the government considered him a criminal. He spent 27 years in prison. Many people thought his life was over. But after he was released, he did not seek revenge. Instead, he chose peace, forgiveness, and unity. He became the first black president of South Africa and helped bring people together. Today, Nelson Mandela is remembered as one of the greatest heroes in history. His story teaches us that forgiveness is stronger than hatred. Okay, number two is my heroes. The second example is Malcolm X. When he was young, he was involved in the crime. He stole things and was eventually sent to prison. While he was in prison, he began reading books every day. Education completely changed his life. After leaving prison, he became later who fought for justice and equal rights. Today, millions of people Malcolm X because he proved that education can change a person's future. Okay, the third example is Oscar Schindler. As first, Schindler only wanted to make money during World War II. He even joined the Nazi Party. However, after seeing innocent people suffer, he changed his heart. He risked his own life and spent all his money to save more 1,000 Jewish people. Because of his courage, many families survive today. He is remembered as a true hero. My last example is fictional character, the Tony Stark, also known as Iron Man. At the beginning, Tony Stark was selfish, arrogant, and only cared about making money. The weapons he created caused suffering to many people. After realizing the consequence of his action, he decided to change. He stopped creating weapons and used his intelligence to protect the world. In the end, he sacrificed his own life to save everyone. Tony Stark reminds us that even fictional heroes become heroes because they choose to change. In conclusion, I believe that a bad person can become a hero. That past does not always define the future. What matters is whether someone is willing to admit their mistake, from them, and help others people. Heroes are not perfect. Heroes are people who choose to become every single day. So, never judge someone by their past. Everyone deserves and chance to change. Thank you very much for your attention and have a wonderful day. Thank you.